Rhomberg Sersa Rail Group. Reliable, economical and efficient as a full-service supplier of rail technology with a comprehensive range of services in railway engineering, construction and maintenance. Our portfolio ranges from track renewal and maintenance, both for ballast and slab track, rail welding and the renovation of railway tunnels, to catenary construction, electromechanical and electrotechnical equipment, consultation, design and planning, safety and access systems, system and measurement technology, as well as logistics services. Though we have a large global presence and are innovative and visionary, we remain a family business. Our long tradition in business has enabled us to gather a vast wealth of experience over the years.
Rhomberg Sersa Rail Group operates across 9 markets on 3 continents with over 100 locations.
We have a fleet of more than 230 track-laying machines worldwide, enabling us to handle everything from small to large, complex projects for all customers in all gauges. Tailor-made and client-oriented. We see the rail system as an economical and ecological means of transport in freight and passenger transport. At the Rhomberg Sersa Rail Group, we see ourselves as a driving force in the successful future of rail transport through our innovative approach and our in-house developments.